BornBabyName.com presents Top 20 Most Powerful Baby Boy Name in the World 2021. Let's start. The first name is Martin. Martin Luther King Jr., one of the most influential and powerful men in the world history, has a name that can't be beaten, not just nickname. But the meaning of the word is also strong as it means warlike. It is a very powerful name. It's a very smooth name, Martin. The next name is Brain. Brain is the one of the most famous Irish imports baby boy name. The name entered in the United States popularity list in the year 1925 and remained in the top 100 list for 60 years. The meaning of the brain is victorious, strong and honorable. The next name is Franklin. Franklin, the very good name. The 32th US President Franklin Roosevelt managed to keep the spirit of the country alive even during the recession and World War II. The name Franklin has an air of royalty and bravery. The next name is Harvey. Harvey Milk was the first gay politician to be elected to the office. He stood vehemently for love, courage, and bravery, and fought over the right of those who had no voice or choose not to speak. Coincidentally, the name means battle worthily. So, Harvey is a very powerful name and a very sweet in speaking. Harvey. The next name is coming on the screen is George. George is a very famous name. Beside George Washington, the first president of US, several of the George have contributed to power and significance. King George was one of the most influential king of Ireland and UK. Then there is George Harrison and the famous singer and magician George Clooney, one of the most popular actor of the Hollywood. So many powerful men named George. The next name is Drake. Drake is the name of the concurrent generation of the super powerful Jeff publishing family. This name received some fame from the 50s and 80s along with the cousin Crick, but is not heard much now, so it's sure to make a unique name for your son. Drake. Drake, the best powerful name. A very sweet name and a unique name. The next one is Alexander. Alexander is a very powerful name. The strong name Alexander belonged to one of the most popular historical figure of the all times, Alexander the Great. In the year 2015, the name ranked 11th in the term of popularity. So, Alexander is a very powerful name and very good in speech. Alexander. The next name is coming William. There have so many strong and powerful barriers of the William over the year that is difficult to select one. We have had William Shakespeare, William Henry Harrison, and the William Minkley, who made a high impact on the society. So, William is a very powerful name. The next name is coming on the screen is John. John is a very famous name. John Franklin Kennedy, John Adams, Pope John Paul II, John Koenig, Adam have all been famous. John has been a dominant name throughout the countries. It was even more popularity during biblical times when not one or two but 12 of Jesus Apollocytes were named John. So John is a very good and popular name. It's a very powerful name. John. The next name is Henry. Very good name. There have been several King Henrys over the year. It is common among the politicians too. The name was an impression for the one of the Shakespeare's plays. Now that's one powerful name. Henry. The next name is coming on the screen is Abraham. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of the US and had the vision to unite the nation. He worked toward his goal relentless until his assassination in 1865. Ibrahim is a very powerful and popular name. The next name is coming Ronald. This name carries weight as was the monarch of the 40th president of US, Ronald Williams Reagan. Reagan served as a governor of California before his presidency, so this name is a very powerful name. The next name is Ashoka. Alexander was not only king who was confirmed the title the Great. Ashoka, the Indian Empire, was a very deeply noveled by the depth and distraction in the Kalinga War, that is rounded kingship and adopted Buddhism. Ashoka is a very powerful name. Ashoka. Other name is coming Washington. The most critical time for a leader to show his real worth is in this phase of adversity. The wisdom and courage shone brightly at the task. He was one of the best leader and the Prime Minister of UK during the World War II. So Winston is a very powerful man name. The very good name. The next one is Joseph. The most critical time for a leader show his real worth in the face of adversity. Joseph is a very powerful name. Very good in speak. Joseph. Very strong name. Joseph. The next one is Austin. Austin. There could be no name more compelling for your son than Austin, which means great and magnificent. This powerful name has been borne by several notable figures across history. For example, Stephen F. Austin, the American Emperor. So Austin is a very good name. Next name is Hassan. Hassan Rouhani is the recently elected president of Iran. He has been in a politician since 1989. So Hassan is a very good name. Hassan is a very good in speaking. Very sweet name. Hassan, a powerful name. The next one, Jacob. Jacob Zuma was elected as the president of South Africa in 2009. As name, Jacques continues to rise in popularity. Jacques is a very powerful name and very good in speaking. So, Jack. The next name is David. David is a British Prime Minister. David Cameron is another powerful leader of the generation. So, these names are the powerful men in the world. David is a very good name and very popular and famous name. The next name, if you like names, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. For more name, visit our website www.bornbabyname.com. Thank you.